Hey everybody, if you're like us, you're having to work from home right now. And we do live streaming. We've turned one of our spare bedrooms into a little studio. The problem we ran into is you can't always use huge soft boxes because you don't have the room. So we needed some smaller soft boxes just for our face to lighten our face up a little bit. And I've done some research and I've come up with this idea. This is what we're using to make our smaller soft boxes. And what you need is a $1 plastic popcorn bin from Dollar Tree. It's 9 inches by 9 inches. You need black spray paint for plastic. You need wax paper. You need sandpaper. An old clamp light, a light bulb, and an 1 1/4 inch drill bit. This is all you need to make a small, inexpensive light box. So let's start now. First thing you want to do is drill the hole in the center of the tub. You have to go real slow because if you don't, this is thin plastic and it will want to split and twist and turn. So you just have to go real slow. And there's your hole. It's not perfect, but it'll fit over the light. Next thing you want to do is spray paint it. Start off with a light coat and then go with a second coat. Let it sit and dry. So just do a little light coat. Keep your paint from running. Just light and even. And after we put a second coat on it, we'll let it dry and then we'll assemble it. Now that the paint is dried, you have this. So next step will be take your old clamp light, unscrew the metal shield, and when you drilled the 1 1/4 inch hole, it is a tight fit. It just snaps right into place and you have this. Then you install your light, screw your light in, and then we'll put the wax paper on for a filter. I pre-cut my wax paper to 11 by 11 inch squares. So you just put your paper on just like this. You get it squared up in the center. And then it's just like wrapping a gift. We'll take one end and tape it. Tape the other end. Then we'll take our corners and we'll fold them. Try to get a nice neat fold on it. Do the other end. And there you have. So let's plug it up, see how it works. Now you've got a small softbox. Do it yourself. Thank you for watching.